Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss an important questions on quantum chemistry. The question is the orbital with two radial nodes and two angular nodes is 3p, 5d, 5f and 8d. Now this question will solve very easy tricks. Now first radial nodes. Radial nodes equal to n minus l minus 1 and angular nodes equal to L and total nodes equal to n minus 1. Now first angular nodes we will see L value. L value, this is first, this is n value and this is L value. Where L equal to 0, this indicates the s orbital. L equal to 1, this is p. Now 2, this is d, and 3, this is a orbital. Now in this case there is two angular nodes is there, so L value equal to 2, so this indicate the d orbital is there. So this is 5d and 8d option, and option A and option C is not correct, so option B and D check. 5d, in case of 5d radial nodes check n minus L minus 1 value. This is n value, this is L value, so n, this is 5 minus L. In case of D, L equal to 2 minus 1 equal to this is 2. So radial node equal to 2 and angular node 2. So option B is the right answer.